It was so nice to see the sunrise to kick off the 40 days of sunshine out of the plane window as we arrived in New Orleans. It was a little overcast, but soon enough the sun burned off the clouds. It's our first meal. Luckily the sun is being good to us. I wanted to show you how I'm making a quick meal out of eggs, just right here in the parking lot. I know it's not super fancy. I put in the onions and peppers early, and then I'm gonna bring the tray out about 2/3 and then just pour the eggs while the tray is in this level situation. That'll help the eggs from sloshing around. This is just 5 eggs inside the bowl here, and that'll give us plenty of food, plenty of sustenance, lots of great proteins, of course.
Wow, I should note the banana's mine. Sorry, Patrick.
Yeah, I'm not doing the fresh fruit thing. I might end up cooking a banana or two, but I'm not gonna make this easy on myself. So I'm really committed to seeing what these things can do. So I'm not gonna just simply grab a fruit off a tree or pull some greens out of the garden. It was going off pretty good this morning. My hunger was pretty strong, and so we made this quick meal. We've got cornbread here, eggs here. Both of these things will whip up in about 20 minutes. I was a little more nervous than expected starting 40 Days of Sunshine, but thanks to my travel partners Emily and Matt, we cooked up a storm. We each grabbed a sport, blazed through the clouds, and made a scrumptious meal.
Don't know where I'm going.
You said it's your birthday. A happy birthday to you.
I was certainly tempted as we walked around the French Quarter in New Orleans by all the wonderful treats. I love this cooking so much, but I wasn't about the defect on day one. We brought the go out on the strip and made some wonderful asparagus, and we cooked some stuffed mushrooms up on the roof of the van while we went walking around. Super yummy meal for day one. Couple yummy meals, actually.
Mushrooms.
I'm feeling pretty equipped.
The grocery store.
Can't wait to see what's next.